So remember I said you should add your what the script say? It say we should add product and animation. You have to give it animation. So this is how to give your work animation. You see this animation here? We are going to animate our product. See this guy here, you click on it, click animation. You click on animation, then you look for a suitable animation for it, the one that is best for it. Don't just use animation here. Look for the one that is okay, that you know is perfect. So taking a look of it, no, oh, I think this one is okay, but I'm thinking we should use this. Yes, I think this is perfect. Yes, this is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. So this is, you see this thing, this in animation, this is out animation. Don't tamper with this combo and loop. Don't tamper with it. This is only two you have to make use of as of now. So we have already put in animation, which is slide down. You see this thing, slide down. That is the one we are using. Now we are going to be using outer animation. Let me quickly explain to you what is in animation means. In animation means the way you want your product to enter. You don't just want the product to just come in anyhow. You want it to enter in a style. So that is in animation. Then the out animation is the way you want your product to go out. You want it to look perfect, you want it to look professional. So let's give it out animation as well. So out animation, how the product should go out. Should it fade out or zoom out? Which one will be better? I think this light up is better. Just make sure you use the one that is perfect. I think this is perfect for me. Yeah, for me this is perfect for me. So you click on it. Let's just take a look of what we just did now. See, then very simple as that. Let's take a look again. You see, and very simple as that. So to make it easy, you see, just click on it like this. To make it easy for you, just click on it like this, then drag this thing, drag this guy now, then go and look for duplicate, then you duplicate it. You see, you have duplicated it. The reason why I want you to duplicate it is that the first in animation and out animation that we use is what we'll be using for every of it. You don't change it to give your work, to make your work perfect. You don't change it. So that's the reason why we have to duplicate it. So once you duplicate it, you will now be sizing it to the next one. Like now, as we duplicate it now, you know, it's not this one we are using. You will now click on it. You will now go on where you go to replace. Where is it? You come here, see this replace, just to make your work easy. It will not stress you. See this replace. The reason why this thing is take long is because I'm explaining. This thing doesn't take highest. If you are just starting highest, you don't have to use like 20 minutes. You have done with these videos. Once you understand your tools, you understand what you do. It's because I'm teaching you, that's why the thing is long like this. So you just have to click on this replace. So once you click on this replace, then you pick the another product. I think let's use this chocolate one. It's perfect. No, that's not the one we have to use. Replace it. That's not the one. This is the one we have to use. See this one. See, perfect. But another thing you should take a look is that you don't place your product anyhow. You don't place your product here, or here, or here. You can place it in some cases, but for this kind of advert, you don't place it anyhow. It's better you center it, then you drag it up so that it will be visible for your audience. That's what I'm supposed to do in the first one. I will adjust it as well. So make sure you drag it up like this so that it will be more feasible, and make sure you leave space up there. The main reason why I leave space here, the reason why I leave this space is because I will add my text there. So let's go on. Let's do some changes here as well in this first one. Yeah, this the first one. See this first one as well. Make sure you adjust it. Let it be feasible. Yes, let it be bold so that your viewer will see what you are advertising. You will see it very well. Then you leave a space here up there. So it's okay like that. But for this one, do you think it's enter well? Yes. Yes, it's okay. Then you duplicate again. I think I should pause the video. Let me pause it and quickly done this thing, not to waste your time, because this video I don't want to be long. So as you can see, I am back. I've already had it. Let's play it and see what you have done so far. See, you see, that is just it. So perfect, but that's not the end of it. So according to our script, what we have to do next, we have to add, yes, we have to add text and animation as well. But I've already give you a guideline on this script. You see, number 3, that's step 3, add text and animation. So you will now go to, I will do it for you now. We'll practice it together. We type this thing, give me variation word to add in my motion graphics for cowbell products, 1 word each. We are going to be using ChatGPT. Let's just copy this thing. Let's copy this thing and go to ChatGPT. But I will not be using ChatGPT. But if you have ChatGPT, you can use it. I have other thing I used to use. This one is okay. Not my data. So, but you can use it anywhere. You can use it anywhere. So you place it here. So let's see what it will give us, just for us to get a better idea of what to add up, because you don't just add, you don't add anything anyhow. You see what this thing gives us now. Vibrant, it gives us cleansing, iconic, vibrant, funky, crisp, bold, joyful, resonates, dynamic. But I don't want this. Let me use ChatGPT. I think your own word is too calm for me. Where's ChatGPT? ChatGPT has been long I use. Okay, just place your text here on ChatGPT. So give us what we want. So can you see this one is very much more better. You see, quality, fresh, nutrition. See, let's go with this nutritious as well. So let's start by adding our tests as well. So then nutrition. So let's add it test. Nutritious. Make sure the test is in capital letter. Yes, nutritious. Then come here, color. Give it blue. I think it's already in blue. Yes, I think the blue is okay. Yes, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay like this. Yeah, go to this border, increase that border, that white. Yes, you come down to this down part. This down part. Yeah, that's where you adjust your border. So that's where you adjust your border. I think it's okay like this. Don't let it be too much. It's okay like this. Then adjust your test. Adjust your test. Make sure it's wet, please. Center it well so that it will make your work neat. Then click OK. No, we have to give it in animation as well and out animation. Then go to, you see this thing that is popping, this thing, that is what we call in animation. So let's just click on it, in animation and out animation. So let's give it this one. I think this one is okay. Yes, out animation as well. Let's give it this as well. I think it's okay like that. It's okay like that. Let's just play it. But I don't like the way it comes in. No. See the text come out before. You hold on this thing. Hold on this note. Just drag it back a little bit. Just drag it back a little bit. Yes. Perfect. I got what I want. Yes. Then you trim out. You know I told you to always cut out this part. Split it, then delete it. Yes. So let's check it. Yes. Let me do one more so that I will do the rest. Let's do the one more. To make your work easy, you just have to go and look for duplicates. You duplicate this one, just duplicate it. Then I think we have another thing on that list, which is okay, let's use energizing. Yes, energizing. Then you come to edit here, edit it, energizing. Then you don't need any, okay, you need editing. The background is somehow yellow. Why are you here? Okay, yeah, place it here. The background is yellow, right? Just go to color, then give it something cool. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. This okay, but I don't want to stress you, I don't want to distract you. I will go here just for me to get what I want. This is where I will come to. And I will play with my color here, but don't let me distract you. Don't go there. Just best for you. Do what let me go back. Just choose your color here. If you are not good enough, don't go and tamper with that. Else you just destroy your work. I think this is okay for me. Let me check. Nutritious, energizing, yes, but you have to drag it back a little bit as well, because that product needs to come out first. Let's check it. Nutritious, energizing. Then make sure that energizing position it where. Let's play it again. Nutritious, energizing, then energizing, then you duplicate it again. Let me quickly do that one as well. I will be back, just for me not to waste your time, because this video is, I don't want it to be long like that.